Here guys, rolling by the Centrum. Here's this downtown in Prague with my beautiful lady. Oh, this is cool. I broke my cover on my lens, but the flare is not so bad. And we're just rolling around downtown Prague. Rolling downtown Prague, baby. And I'm blocking my kiddo's mirror. I broke the lens glass on my camera, of course. Oh, we're rolling back through the Central again. I think we're taking circles here. But she knows where she's going, I hope. Oh, we're gonna make this right turn. This is the coolest street down here. The St. Vaclav statue is right over here. I know that because Daisy told me that. It's St. Vaclav. Oh good, my lens flare is not so bad. Because yeah, I broke the cover on it. And then look at this down here, you guys. This is just crazy. Beautiful. Yeah, lens flare is bad. Like I said, I broke the cover on my camera lens. Check this out though. Look at the lighting. Everything's just really pretty. Yep, this is Prague. Check it out, man. We're looking for, she's taking me to a place to get dinner right now. I don't know where we're going because I don't speak Vietnamese and I don't speak Czech. But we've been using Google Translate and it's been working okay for us. Sometimes we think they're conspiring to break us up, but we do okay. Okay, here we are walking the back streets of Prague. Lots of tagging. We got our little stores here. They're doing road work. Say hi, Tina.
Hi.
Hi, there's my beautiful girl. And we're just walking to find food in Prague. So yeah, this is just your typical walking around Prague at night. It's cold, probably about 36 degrees. She's taking the lead and I'm just following along. A little bit of PCTV for you here in the Czech Republic. Yeah, it's a completely different ball game from Southern California here, let me tell you. Some people are friendly, most people seem pretty pissed off. I don't know why, but maybe it's the winter time, who knows. We got little mini marts here. This is just like walking down, you know, Westminster, something like that, but it's just a town from the 1500s. And this is an amazing place. Jewelry stores on the sides here. Just all kinds of cool places. There you go, Steven. Plenty of drinks there. My girl walks fast. Let's see, what is this? Maris restaurant? Antique dealers. All kinds of cool stores. This is one of the shopping malls, galleries that we're going to right now. This is just typical of what you see here in Prague. Let me get a shot down the street here, baby. Look at this. Crazy. Wow. Look at you guys. All the way up the town here. Do a little roll around here. Look at this. Just beautiful. Where do you want to go? Show me. Okay, we're going this way? Okay. I'm just following. I don't speak the language, so. Yeah, it's really cool. The lighting. Look at this place here. Is it a gaming place? Yeah, gaming. Or no, oh. Yeah, it's like a, it's kind of like a Dave & Buster's, I think. Or a big shop, toy shop maybe. Oh, I think it's a toy shop. Yeah, toys. And they've got all kinds of stores here, high end. Really beautiful down here. Saint Laurent. But this is just cruising around downtown Prague with my broken lens. Everything's very much just set up in the outdoors here. Oh, we're going this way? Okay, we're going in here. What do we have? Restaurant here? Look at this. Hey, Tina. Say hi again. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, getting ready for Christmas. We were looking at a restaurant here, but I don't think it's going to happen.
Czech Republic.
Uh-huh. Beautiful. Yes. Crystal. Look at all the Christmas decorations. Wow, look at this crystal here, guys. The shops here are just beautiful. Look at the interiors. Very nice. It's pretty amazing out here. Look at the lighting on this building here. Tina knows where to go for food, so I'm just following her. Oh, this way? Okay. So yeah, I told you I was following her. She knows where to go. Okay, so we're heading back through town here. Just cruising around Prague. Gotta wear our masks. But you know what? I don't mind wearing a mask right now because it's warm. Oh, they got gyms over here. All kinds of stuff here. They got rental scooters everywhere you look. What is a Vapiano? All kinds of stuff. Okay. Just walking the downtown here. Look at this. Hey. This is actually Frosty's. Cold. No, thank you. Trying to stay out of the water as much as I can too. It's amazing how the stores do here compared to the United States. You know, retail establishments are closing everywhere, and these places are just going off. And supposedly this country's locked down. Hardly anybody's wearing masks. It's very rare to see stores not closed. So, considering this is a total lockdown, you wouldn't think it for a minute that this town is even locked down. So half the people aren't even wearing masks. But all the Christmas decorations are going up. They've done a lot since we were down here last week. I hate to say, oh, there we go. Hey, I know that one. Here. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, every day.
Yeah, why not?
Why?
American food. Good place. I know the food. Oh my God, I'm such the tourist American. We were walking to find a place to eat, and I just didn't know what I wanted, and I just wanted some real American, or just something I could actually read the menu. The menus here are in English, and it is a actual American restaurant in the middle of Prague. TGIF Fridays. Here's out on the street here. I don't know exactly what the temperature is right now, but it's, I think butt cold is what is the qualifying term here. And I'm here with my girl, and we're really just having a great time. I've also asked her to be my wife, so that's a big deal here. I've asked her to marry me, so you guys will be hearing more about that.
Hi.
So when in Prague, we have my host Tina. Tin Bu San.
Yes.
Hi.
Thanh.
How are you, baby?
Tình Vũ Thanh.
Looking good.
Yeah.
And this is my host here in Prague.
Yes.
Oh, and my fiance.
What?
What, baby?
No.
What's that? Oh, it's cool, man. Going back to Torlo. It's pretty cool. So, it looks great down here today. We just had a wonderful dinner. Very nice time. I tell you one thing, Tina and I, all we do is laugh. We don't even speak the same language, and we just laugh and laugh. We always have a good time together. And yeah, it's fun. There's a nice H&M store here. But yeah, the malls here seem to really kick butt. They seem to really roll, and busy places here. So, central building? Okay, we're gonna go back up the alleyway here. All right, guys, we're leaving the pretty stuff and we're going down the side streets. Guys, it's amazing out here. noise, so I'm gonna come back inside. Usually we're only cruising at 3 or 4 miles an hour when we're doing these. I did break the lens cover on my camera, so we're getting some flare here, but that's what I have to work with here. Look at the buildings. Look at these buildings. They're just amazing. Just beautiful stuff. Everywhere you look, it's just history, history, history. There's the center. No, oh yeah, we're back. We're coming through the center again. This is where we were earlier. This is the Central Magistrate Building, or the... I'll find out later. But yep, more of downtown Prague, and we just finished dinner of all places at TGIF Fridays, and my love told me that it was only 50 bucks for salmon and steak and a beer and whatnot, so that was pretty cool. I had no idea. Prices are pretty good here. Also, another thing I was surprised by is cannabis is actually legal in this town, which I didn't think so, but it is. Also, there's a lot of erotic shops and a lot of X-rated bookstores. I mean, it's just all kinds of stuff here, man. Just rolling through Prague.